Guys, for today's video, meron po akong i-share sa inyo na just recently lang po nila nilabas. Ito po yung tinatawag nilang Forbes Best Bank for 2026. And we have done this video couple of years ago na. Every year, naglalabas ng listahan si Forbes ng mga best bank sa buong mundo. And you can filter it para lang sa Pilipinas. And in this video, yan ang pag-uusapan natin at magugulat kayo kung sino na ba ang number 1 best bank for 2026 sa Pilipinas. So kung gusto nyo malaman yan, samahan nyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge. Na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so ito na nga yung annual na Forbes listing ng Best Bank for 2026. And kung babasahin ko lang po sa inyo, ito po yung background netong rankings na to. So sabi dito, nakipag-partner daw si Forbes sa isang research or survey firm na tinatawag na Statista. So, ang parameters na ginamit nila dito ay, yan, survey more than 54,000 people across 34 countries in different language from October 2025 up to November 2025. Survey participants were asked to evaluate banks where they currently have a checking or savings account, where they've had an account within the past 3 years or that they knew through a family or friend. Any bank offering a checking or savings account was eligible. United States Credit Union were not included. So basically, ang mga tinanong sa kanila ay ito. So there are 5 criteria. Unang-una is trustworthiness, confidence in the bank's financial stability. Pangalawa ay ang terms and conditions such as fees and rates. Pangatlo ay customer service, wait times and employees' ability to solve problems. Pang-apat ay digital service, which is ease of using online tools. And pang-lima ay ang quality of financial advice. So, without further ado, ito na po ang listahan natin. Siyempre, ranking from the lowest muna pataas. Okay, number 8, ang Philippine National Bank. So, ito ay founded since 1916. So, previously, ito ay isang government-owned corporation na privatize na. Next on our list, number 7 is si Land Bank, Land Bank of the Philippines. And this was founded since 1963 pa. Just to let you know, Land Bank of the Philippines is a government-controlled bank. It is a government financial institution that serves as the official depository bank of the national government. Number 6, IC, Metropolitan Bank and Trust. This bank was founded since 1962. Just a quick trivia about Metro Bank. Well, si Metro Bank ay nandun sa top ng Forbes list since 2 years ago. Sila yung nangunguna. Sila yung nandun sa top 1 to 3 lagi. Apparently ngayon, medyo na-overpower na siya ng ibang kilalang mga banks natin. Number 5 on our list ay si Maya Bank. Well, si Maya Bank ay founded last 2022. And to also give you a trivia about Maya Bank, so si Maya Bank ang top 1 natin na best bank according to Forbes 2025. Let's move on na sa number 4, which is Union Bank. And also, katulad ni Maya Bank, si Union Bank ay nasa top 6 yata last year. So, apparently, nagkaroon ng improvement sa perception ng mga tao kay Union Bank, kaya nasa within top 5 na siya this 2026. Number 3 is si BPI. Ito naman, bilib na bilib talaga ako dito kay BPI kasi hindi po talaga siya nawawala sa listahan. Usually, nasa top 1 to 5 siya ng mga nakaraang taon, and until now, minemaintain niya ang position niya sa pagiging best bank according sa survey ni Forbes.com. BPI was founded since 1851. Kapanahunan pa ng mga Kastila to. Isa na yata to sa pinakamatandang banks na kilala ko. Number 2, which is si GoTyme Bank. Yes, GoTyme Bank. Si GoTyme Bank ay digital bank. Kung i-review natin yung previous year ng listahan ni Forbes, binintain niya ang number 2 position hanggang ngayon. Ibig sabihin na isa si GoTyme Bank sa pinagkakatiwalaan or may magandang perception ng mga gumagamit nito. Bakit nga ba? Well, probably because of their aggressive marketing, di ba? Pag nagpupunta kayo ng mga malls, ang dami nag-aalok ng GoTyme Bank, and Usually, pag mag-aalok sila ng GoTime Bank sa'yo, sasabihin nila, free lang po ang ATM, etc. Tapos magagamit nyo po as Go Rewards point. And syempre, sino ba naman may ayaw ng free debit card, di ba? Libre ka na makakuha ng ATM card kahit wala kang kahit na anong deposit. Okay, so ito na, number 1 on our list. And isa to sa kinagulat ko talaga kasi out of nowhere or out of the last position last year, siya na ang number 1, which is si Maribank. Coming from number 8 last year, 2005, ngayon po number 1 na si Maribank or si Cbank. And they were founded since 1965. Bakit 1965? Kasi po, binili po nila ang isang rural bank na tinatawag nilang Bangko Laguna Incorporated. And then, nung nabili na nila yan, nirebrand na nila yan, eventually Cbank, now Maribank. So, biruin nyo yun.
Yung perception ng tao about Maribank or Cbank na isang rural/online bank, magna-number 1 ngayon?
Well, ako talaga guys, wala po ako na-experience na kahit na anong issues with Maribank. And kung ako ang tatanungin nyo talaga, isa talaga or highly recommended ko talaga na bangko ang Maribank. And if in case lang na hindi nyo alam kung anong meron kay Maribank, well, wala. Yung interest rate nila is 3% na lang naman, but it's still good relative to other banks. 15 free bank transfer weekly, well, it adds up around 60 free bank transfer per month. And security and yung app mismo, napaka-intuitive at hindi ka mamroblema. That's masasabi ko na isa to sa pwede nyong pagkatiwala ang bangko with regards to your money. And in case lang na wala pa po kayong Maribank, again and again, please use my referral code PATKINTO para magkaroon po kayo ng 150 pesos when you create a Maribank account. Alam niyo po yun, gagawa lang po kayo ng account with Maribank, magde-deposit lang po kayo ng 1,000 pesos for 1 day at makakatanggap na po kayo kagad ng 150 pesos na referral reward. Yung 150 na po yan, pandagdag nyo sa gas or pandagdag nyo sa bilihin since nagtataasan na po ang mga presyo ng bilihin natin ngayon. So anong pang hinihintay nyo? Please use my referral code PATKINTO when creating a Maribank account. Nakakagulat, diba? From number 8 last year, they jumped to number 1 this year. And wala po akong masabi kasi naman po napakatatag po nitong Maribank na to and I only wish na hindi magkaroon ng problema kay Maribank kasi with other banks, naririnig po natin yung mga unauthorized transactions. Sana naman po hindi mangyari kay Maribank. Okay, for our question of the day, sa tingin niyo po ba deserve ni Maribank ang maging number 1 best bank for the Philippines under Forbes this 2026? O sa tingin niyo merong iba pang bank na much better? Let me know sa comment section sa baba for our weekly giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo. At shoutout kay Johnny Valiente at Jan2x316. Ang sabi po niya, shoutout from Alberta, Canada. Thank you. Wow, umabot na po tayo ng Canada. Kay Sir Johnny Valiente, shoutout po sa inyo and sa mga kababayan po natin dyan sa Alberta, Canada. Shoutout po sa inyo. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!